How to cancel a flight on Delta Airlines. Hey, welcome. So today I'll be teaching you something very intriguing. I'll be teaching you how to cancel a flight on Delta Airlines. The first thing you need to do is to log on to Delta website, or you just type out Delta Airlines or your Google Chrome, and this page will be displayed on your screen. Here are the left side of the screen, the top left corner of your screen, you see the Delta logo, and you also see the book option, you see the check-in option, you see my trips icon, you see the flight status icon, you see the travel info, you see the sky miles, you also see the need help icon. At the top right corner, you see the sign up, you see the, if you've not signed up, just click on it to sign up. You also see the login option. If you've not logged in, click on it to log in. And you also see the notification icon here and the search icon. You can go through the page to have an overview of what Delta Airlines is all about. It's very simple. Just scroll down. Delta Airlines is basically about airline travels. They deal with airline travel. So if you want to travel using an airplane or an aeroplane, you can use Delta Airlines for a smooth airline travel. Now back to the question: how to cancel a flight on Delta Airlines. You go back to the upper part of the screen where you see need help. Need help is just after Sky Miles. Drag your cursor to it. Once you've dragged your cursor, a drop down will be displayed on your screen. You can see a drop down has been displayed. Here I have several options, but not to go too far. The first option is what we are going to do. First option is Help Center. So you click on the Help Center option, then you wait for the Help Center page to load. Once you're on this page, ensure you wait patiently. Ensure you're patient so that you would not be in a hurry to choose to make the wrong choice. So here is the Help Center. Your help will be rendered to you here concerning your question or your complaints. So you keep scrolling down the page. Here are several options that can apply to your question. So if you want to find travel requirements, you simply click on it here. If you want to, at the right side of your screen, if you want to redeem your e-credits or you want to redeem companion certificate, you can do that under your prepare for travel section. So the next section says manage your trip. Then the third section says day of travel. So now let's go back to manage your trip section. So under manage your trip section, we have the change or cancel your flights option. We have the manage seat or an upgrade. We also have the request refund or reimbursement. We also have the request accessible travel services. Now the first option under manage your trip section is the one we are going to click on, which says change or cancel your flight. Since you want to know how to cancel a flight on Delta Airlines, you simply click on it on the change or cancel your flight option, then you wait for the page to load. Once the page has loaded, here you can see that it's boldly written here flight changes and cancellation. So you scroll down the page, ensure you read all the instructions here on how to cancel your flight and all that. So you have two options here: to go to my trips or how to guide. So if you want to have a guide on how to do it, how to cancel your flight, you can click on the second option which says how to guide. But if you want to go to my trips to see your trip, you can do that. So let's click on any of these options. You can click on go to my trips first, and here you'll be asked to give. Here you can see already find your trip. So for you to cancel your trip, you have to first find your trip. So once your trip has been found, then you click on the cancel option that you're no longer going or you're no longer flying. So here you can find your trip with any of this option. You can find your trip through your confirmation number, your credit debit card number, or your ticket number. So any of these, you can use any of these three options. Once you have it, you click or you type it in. I do not have any of these because I've not even booked a flight, but you should have any of this with you. So any of this that is what you're going to use here. You type it in the number, then once you're done with that, you go to the next option, you type it in, then you type in your first name and your last name. Then at the lower part of the screen you see the icon search. You click on search and your flight will be searched out, and once it's searched out you see the option to cancel. Then you cancel your flight, so your flight will be automatically cancelled just like that. Okay, so this is simply how to cancel a flight on Delta Airlines. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.